Give an example of a polygon whose sides all have the same length but which are not a regular polygon. And give an example of a polygon whose angles all have the same measures but which is not a regular polygon. So for this, we have a polygon rhombus. So for a rhombus, we have the length are the same, but the angles are not all the same. And for this one, give an example of polygon whose angles have the same measure but which is not a regular polygon. So for this, we have a rectangle. So for a rectangle, all angles are 90 degrees, but the length are not equal. So it is not a regular polygon.